Alright, equations with fractions. So we're starting to really fill up our toolbox right now. This time we're going to start with just one fraction in it. And realistically, these are just examples of two-step equations. So if I start off here, for example, if I have b over 5 plus 4 is equal to 11. Then I would do this as a two-step equation. I'd say I need to calculate the value of b. I need to remove what's furthest away. I'll remove that plus 4. I'll use the inverse operation. I'll subtract 4. That leaves me with b over 5. I'll keep my equal signs lined up underneath each other. Is equal to 7. Second step of the equation, inverse operation. b divided by 5. Inverse is to times by 5. So I'll go 5 times 5. Both sides, keeping the balance. And up with just b is equal to 35. So that's a nice easy one to start with. We may also come across fractions like this. X plus 6 all over 2 is equal to 21. So here we have again one fraction. Again, it's simply a two-step equation, but what's important here is that both of these terms are divisible by the 2. There's no other term sitting off on its own, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 to start with. I need to actually think of this as a grouping symbol around that. So I'll go 2 times this side by 2, leaves me with x plus 6 is equal to 42. And then all I really need to do now is my second step in this equation is subtract the 6 on both sides. Oops. I'll get x is equal to 36. So what I want you to do is take a little moment just to study those two solutions and particularly the difference between them. Here the b and the 5 are connected, plus 4 is on its own, so I subtract 4 first. Here the x plus 6 are connected by this fraction bar, so the division by 2 is really the furthest thing away and I need to get rid of that first. One more example for you. Right, okay, so here's another example of this when we have a fraction. You can see this one's already been worked out. However, if you look through this, have a look carefully, there is a mistake in this working. And your task right now is to spot the mistake in this working and to actually come up with the correct answer. The correct answer is not 59. I need you to have a good look and to spot the mistake.